Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook sorry, something went wrong problem. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here, go ahead and first close the app, just like so. Close all, including all the apps running in the background. And then once that's done, just wait for about 5 seconds, and then reopen it and check if it works. Now, if that doesn't work, close the application again. Find the app icon if you're using Android, tap and hold. And then tap on the information icon. Wait a bit, scroll down and find storage. Now tap on clear cache. Wait a bit, and then the cache right here will turn to 0. All right. Once that's done, close this one. Reopen up Facebook and check if it works. If you're using iOS, go ahead and find the settings app. Then go to general, then iPhone storage, find Facebook, offload the app. Okay. Now, once that's done, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store. Look for Facebook. If there's an update button, update the app. And while it's updating, go ahead and go to your settings and just look for a setting called date and time. Right? Tap on date and time right here. And then make sure that automatic date and time and the automatic time zone are both enabled. And then again, check the update right here if it's done. All right. And then once that's done, just go ahead and open it up. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. And that's how easy it is to fix Facebook where it says an error, sorry, something went wrong. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.